Wear eye protection. Eye injuries can be prevented if you have the right eye protection. But if an eye injury does happen, I have your guidelines for eye injury first aid. Hi there, I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. The first step in eye injury first aid, prepare. Every workplace should have clearly labeled first aid kits. For those companies with known hazards, emergency eye washes should be easily accessible. Common eye injuries. 1. Dust or tiny specks of debris in the eyes. Now, this is common when using saws, drills, and other power tools. 2. Chemical exposures and burns. 3. Flying or falling objects striking the eyes. 4. Cuts or punctures from sharp objects. When somebody gets an eye injury, know how to respond. The folks at Prevent Blindness, an eye health and safety organization, offer these tips. To treat specks in the eyes, try lifting the upper eyelid and pulling it outward. Then let tears wash the speck out. If tears don't do the job, use an eye wash. Whatever you do, don't rub the eye, cover the eye lightly, and see a doctor or optician if the speck can't be removed. To treat chemical exposures, flush the eyes with water for a full 15 minutes. Many people cut this time short, but don't 15 minutes. Also note that contact lenses may come out. This is okay. After flushing the eyes, don't cover or bandage them. See a doctor or optician. To treat blows to the eyes, use a cold compress on the eye or eyes. Don't use pressure. If reduced vision and pain happen, see a doctor or optician. To treat cuts or punctures to the eyes, go for medical attention as soon as possible. Don't wash the eyes or try to remove the object. It's a good idea to cover the eye with something rigid, such as a cup, while in transit to a hospital. Remember, chemical exposures and cuts and punctures will require medical attention. For other eye injuries, look for attention if redness, persistent pain, or light sensitivity continue to occur. That's all for this episode on eye injury first aid. Come back for more ways to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, a service of Creative Safety Supply, creativesafetysupply.com.